in terms of business, in terms of business prospects. And it has really helped us to think beyond and see further over business aspects of it. Mainly like who are our customers, whom are we supposed to chase, what is that hedgehog that we can ever create, and what is that we can be best at our service and with our own strength and with our own knowledge and things like that. Not only on business aspect, this has also given us scope on a self-analysis, like to find out where do we stand, what is our drawbacks, what is our roadblocks and things like that. It has made us in what ways that we can be a blockage to our business with self aspects and with our own motives and intentions and all. And most importantly, I would say it has given a clarity over a vision, to visualize a vision, to see a long run. It has also given us a roadmap, as in how to achieve and where to go about. What are the steps to be basically taken? What are the foundations that to be laid so that vision is not a burden for us, but it is a delight to go and achieve it. With that, I think it's easy to go and achieve our vision. It's easy to plan, and what is our plan that we can even achieve it.